destinations, with a diverse range of fascinating architecture, history, and brilliant colors. The greatest places to visit in Italy provide a diversified experience of countryside and metropolises, ancient structures, and attractive luxury hotels. There are beaches and cliffs, a rustic old mountain, and a way of life in this southern European country that must not be missed. Here are the top 5 cities and places in Italy that you must visit during your vacation. At number 5, Naples. With its winding cobblestone street, delicious pizza, and authentic Italian flavor, Naples will give you a true sense of Italy. Naples is a large city with multiple district pages that include information on sightseeing, restaurants, nightlife, and lodging. A drive around the Amalfi Coast, a magnificent treasure of a Mediterranean, will enchant you. One of Europe's best-kept secrets is Naples. For history buffs, art connoisseurs, and foodies, Naples is a must-see destination. Naples is a city of contrasts, chaotic and gorgeous, with layers of ancient history and art and a pulsating undercurrent of inventions. Naples has kept the impressions of various cultures that evolved in Europe and the Mediterranean basin, from the Neapolis founded by Greek settlers in 470 BC, to the city of today. At number 4, Milan. When it comes to the most beautiful destinations to visit in Italy, Milan is undoubtedly the most gorgeous. Milan was originally the capital of Rome, but it is now one of the most populated metropolis cities in the world, with some of the top attractions. Milan has one of Italy's most diversified societies, with a strong artistic history that laid the groundwork for fashion and design to flourish. Milan has all the benefits of a large city while being relatively small, making it ideal for a visit because tourists can walk to most of the city's attractions and museums. Although Milan may appear to be a city with nothing to see, there are a few must-see landmarks that make the city unique. At number 3, Venice. Venice, the capital of the Veneto region in northern Italy, is constructed on more than 100 tiny islands in an Adriatic Sea lagoon. It has no highways, only canals surrounded with Renaissance and Gothic palaces, notably the Grand Canal thoroughfare. The magnificent marble front of the Doge's palace is only surpassed by the richest house within history enthusiasts, and classical art connoisseurs will never want to leave. Make sure to kiss under the Bridge of Sighs when traveling in a gondola with your loved one. Venetian legend claims that a kiss under the bridge would offer lovers eternal love and bliss. One of Venice's most popular sights is the view of the entire city from the bell tower in Piazza San Marco. Venice's main attractions is this enormous public piazza. Piazza San Marco was dubbed the drawing room of Europe by Napoleon, who was captivated by the magnificence of the building. At number 2, San Gimignano. San Gimignano is an Italian hill town located southwest of Florence, in the Tuscany region. San Gimignano is known as the town of fine towers, for its medieval architecture, which is remarkable in that roughly a dozen of its tower homes have been preserved, forming a memorable skyline, with its hilltop position and encircling walls. San Gimignano's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was a vital stop for pilgrims on their way to, or from Rome along the Via Francigena. San Gimignano, various squares are ideal places to feel the city's liveliness. Many frescoes can be found in the spectacular interiors, which you should not miss. The enchantment of San Gimignano is best experienced after hours, when the majority of tourists have returned to their buses, sellers have made their money, and the town has reclaimed its mystique. Smart travelers come late at night and stay the night. At number 1, Rome. The Colosseum, Pantheon, and Trevi Fountain are the prominent attractions in Rome, which are noted for their spectacular architecture. It was the capital of the Roman Empire, which governed Europe for numerous centuries. In Rome, you'll also find Vatican City, the world's tiniest country. The ancient Romans dubbed Rome the Eternal City, because they felt that no matter what occurred in the rest of the world, Rome would always be standing. Exploring the historic center on foot, surrounded by magnificent structures and huge ruins, transport you back to the glory of Rome. Rome is the third most visited city in Europe, and the 15th most visited city in the world, thanks to its unique history. It draws tourists from all over the world, who are eager to see the city's great structures and archaeological sites, as well as its renowned food and vibrant environment. Visitors to the Colosseum may easily visualize the gladiators fighting for their lives in the arena, cheered on by the crowd. Expatluggage created this simple video guide to help you organize your stay in selected places in Italy, so that you get the most out of your time there, whether you are visiting there for 2 days or a month. This travel video will provide you all the knowledge you need to make your trip to Italy a memorable one. If you find a mistake on this video, or have suggestions, please let us know in the comments section below. But before you leave, please subscribe to my channel, like, and click the notification bell, to be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching.